Welcome to my channel. Today we're stepping into something that completely redefines what luxury on the road looks like. Because this is not just a van. This is what $200K plus luxury on wheels truly feels like. The moment you see it, you already know this isn't built for average drivers. It's built for people who want presence, comfort, and absolute dominance wherever they arrive. Let's start right here in the dashboard, because this is where first impressions are locked in. The cockpit feels more like a high-end executive jet than a road vehicle. Premium leather wraps almost every surface, stitched with precision that screams craftsmanship. The digital instrument cluster is clean, sharp, and futuristic, giving you all the information you need without clutter. The center touchscreen is massive, smooth, and responsive, controlling everything from navigation to climate to entertainment. Metallic accents, soft touch materials, and ambient lighting blend together to create a calm but powerful driving environment. Even the steering wheel feels expensive in your hands, weighted perfectly, with controls placed exactly where they should be. This dashboard doesn't try to be flashy. It's confident, refined, and quietly intimidating. Now let's move into the rear interior, because this is where the real money was spent. The moment you step back, the entire vibe changes from luxury vehicle to rolling private lounge. Plush captain seats with deep cushioning and full power adjustment welcome you in like a first-class airline seat. There's enough legroom to stretch out completely, cross your legs, and forget you're even on the road. The materials back here are on another level: rich leather, premium panels, and soft ambient lighting that sets the mood perfectly whether it's day or night. Large screens are positioned for rear passengers, turning this space into a mobile entertainment hub. Whether you're watching movies, handling business calls, or just relaxing on a long drive, this van delivers a smooth, quiet, and isolated experience from the outside world. Storage is smartly integrated, hidden yet accessible, keeping the space clean and uncluttered. The sound system fills the cabin with crisp, balanced audio, making every seat feel like the best seat in the room. What really sets this luxury van apart is how everything works together. It's not just about comfort, it's about presence. When this vehicle pulls up, it commands attention. It doesn't need loud exhaust or aggressive styling. Its size, finish, and confidence do all the talking. This is the kind of vehicle designed for executives, celebrities, and people who value privacy, space, and effortless luxury over traditional supercars or SUVs. Driving this feels smooth and controlled, soaking up the road while keeping passengers completely relaxed. It's proof that luxury doesn't always mean low and fast. Sometimes luxury means tall, powerful, quiet, and unstoppable. This isn't a van you buy because you need one. This is a van you buy because nothing else offers this level of comfort, style, and authority in one package. Once you experience this, regular SUVs start to feel small, noisy, and outdated. Thank you for watching videos. See you next video.